Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use iPhone to scan documents. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To begin, open your Files app and choose Browse. Once you're in the browsing section, go ahead and click on the three dots located in the upper right corner. Among the provided options, choose Scan Documents and tap on it. Now, you'll need to properly position the document you wish to scan. The scanner has the capability to automatically capture the document, but if it doesn't, you can't choose to do it manually. Once you have the document properly aligned, click on Save in the bottom right corner. This action saves the document. Now, choose Done. You can capture as many documents as needed. If you decide not to capture a document, tap on Cancel. You'll notice that any captured documents will be automatically saved in this section. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.